Once upon a time, there was a shepherd boy who kept his sheep near a dark forest. It was a lonely place, and he often felt bored. To entertain himself, he decided to play a trick on the villagers. He ran toward the village, shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" The villagers dropped their work and ran to help him. But when they arrived, there was no wolf. The boy laughed and said, "I fooled you." The villagers were annoyed and told him not to waste their time. A few days later, the boy did it again. "Wolf! Wolf!" he cried. Again, the villagers ran to help, and again they found nothing. They warned him sternly, "Don't cry wolf when there is no wolf." Then, one evening, a real wolf actually came out from the forest and began chasing the sheep. Terrified, the boy screamed as loud as he could, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help me, there is a wolf!" But this time, no one came. The villagers thought he was trying to fool them again. The wolf killed many of the sheep and disappeared into the woods. The boy sat there crying, realizing that his lies had cost him his flock.